Welcome back to another vid. We're going to bloody clear up all the questions about wing cuts and what they do. So we're going to do this tree and not wing cut and show the effect of it. Bastard's going to make me wedge it. Super clean. Yeah.
Get down there.
So this actually wasn't too bad, but you can imagine if you had a 6 metre big bloody prune. See how this bit here, see how it ripped it out the stump? And some of the times you can actually tear the wood all the way down the side. So when you put your wing cuts in, it stops the tearing and the slabbing of the wood. So we'll quickly show you one. The wing cuts in action. Fuck it, I'll do that little one. So you can see I've just cut through here and I've met up with the corner of the wood here. So I've done that on both sides. Now the advantage to it is the tree will go over easier for you, and also it'll stop any tearing up the side of the tree. So you get a safer, cleaner stump and save value of wood. So as it went, all this released and it went over nice, no tearing, save your wood.